What is up, folks? I have just been using Supered in my day-to-day, as I do. And I didn't even think about it. And then it occurred to me, this is something that people should see. We use it internally. We are our best customers, as you might imagine. And I just was in the process of sending some social proof to a customer who'd asked a question. And I wanted to share an example. And we are fortunate that we have lots of customers who exalt the benefits of Supered. Online in LinkedIn, over email, and we collectively put that together and then we can use it for social. So I am in Gmail. I've just opened up Supered in the extension, so I haven't had to leave Gmail at all. And I actually want to access a piece of documentation that I've used recently. So it shows here in my recently viewed. I can, of course, go into my bases and access any kind of documentation here in the flow of work. But I'm going to go to this, which I have used recently, which is our Surround Bound Never Stop social proof card. And in here, we've screenshotted a whole bunch of posts from different folks who have shared really positive things about Supered. I'm going to go into here. I am going to take a screenshot of this useful thing, and I am going to drag that straight into my email. And that is now shareable. That has saved me going to find it somewhere in some Google Drive inside of some sort of PDF that I can't find. And it's so quick, it's so easy, and I love it. And I don't know, I hope to be at Supered for a very long time. I don't know that I could live with enablement anywhere other than in the flow of work. The question is, can you?